Охренеть!
And we have the whole footage of the downing of the Russian jet in the Azov Sea. It's going down! Wow, Mom, I filmed it. A Russian guy films the SU-25 aircraft that fell in Yeysk.
Снижается. Охренеть! Самолет упал, и этот спарашютировался. Летчик. Я это заснял! Охренеть!
А где самолет?
Вон.
Не, летчик, да, самолет где?
Прям под ним. Охренеть!
Ты видела?
A few hours before the attack on the Crimean Bridge, 4 fast-moving objects located 50 miles southeast of Zmyany Island hit the lens of the American Sentinel satellite. Natalia Kulik, the woman who died on the Kerch Bridge attack while going on vacation to illegally occupied Crimea, came from the Belgorod region where she indoctrinated children at school and was an active supporter of the invasion of Ukraine and the Russian armed forces. Russian media publish a video of how the Kerch Bridge looks now. Russian media report, this is a line to the ferry crossing from temporarily occupied Crimea to Russia. There is a giant traffic jam in front of the attacked Crimean Bridge. Movement is blocked. The ferry across the Kerch Strait also does not work. The authorities offer tourists to travel around the occupied territories. Crimea is provided with fuels and lubricants, food and industrial goods. Local warehouses have all the necessary stocks, said the so-called Acting Minister of Industrial Policy of Crimea, Elena Alekian. A cluster of Russian military equipment, including a command vehicle, was destroyed by Ukrainians.
Меня тут что въебало? Я хамис. Да. Хамис. Охуенный. Кабаш. Грузовик.
JDAM's a clock on a house full of Russians. Someone leaked their coordinates for sure. Russians in Kislovodsk, Stavropol Krai, posted a patriotic banner reading, "Are you with us?" and the Spanish Leopard tank. Losers. Aerial reconnaissance of the 23rd Brigade shows the destruction of Russian armored vehicles, presumably mines. Russian self-propelled 240mm heavy mortar Tu-S4 Tilpan is struck by a penny Ukrainian FPV kamikaze drone. Locust invasion in Russia. Video filmed on the border of the Astrakhan region and Kalmykia. Belarus school camp. And how are your kids entertained on their school holidays?
Чтобы мы жили в мире, чтобы Байден сдох, Господи, прости меня, чтобы Зеленский тоже, а Путин процветал. Ведь как огонь над всей Украиной, Господи!
And this is not from Ukraine, probably China, but is useful. Firefighting drones in testing phase. Could be excellent idea for high-rise buildings.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.